both.
What do you mean both?
Until you open up that box, it is both.
I'd like to buy a parrot.
That's our last one. It speaks 7 words, it has lovely plumage.
Can I see it?
Not if it's dead.
You said.
It's both dead and alive until you open that box. You see, it's Schrödinger's parrot. According to quantum
Are you
mechanics...
sure you don't have any other parrots?
This one's on sale. $6.
Why should I buy a parrot? I can't even open the box.
You'll be the only person in your entire neighborhood with a parrot that exists in multiple universes.
This parrot's dead!
You just killed it!
I know, it was already dead. This is an ex-parrot.
Only an ex-parrot in one universe! You can't just come into my shop and kill my parrot! Get